If you're wondering how to connect Folk CRM with Xero and streamline your business operations, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to integrate these two powerful tools so you can save time and keep everything in one place. No more manual entry or jumping between apps. Make sure to stick around till the end because I've got an exclusive bonus just for you that'll make this process even easier. First off, let's talk about Folk CRM. It's a fantastic tool designed to help you manage your customer relationships effortlessly. It's super intuitive, with features like customizable pipelines, smart tagging, and automatic reminders. If you're running a business, managing contacts and tracking interactions becomes a breeze. Now, imagine adding Xero to the mix. Xero is one of the best accounting tools available, perfect for managing your invoices, expenses, and financial reporting. By connecting Folk CRM with Xero, you can automatically sync your financial data with your customer records. It's a game changer. Now, let's dive into the steps on how to connect Folk CRM with Xero. The process is simple and doesn't require any coding knowledge. Start by logging into both your Folk CRM and Xero accounts. Next, head over to the Folk CRM integration section, which is easily accessible from the settings menu. You'll find a list of compatible integrations, and Xero should be listed there. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to log into your Xero account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, Folk CRM will ask for permission to connect to your Xero account. This is where the magic happens. By giving permission, you allow Folk CRM to sync your contact data with Xero's accounting features. After this, you can set up how often you want the sync to occur, whether it's real-time or on a daily basis. You can choose the fields you want to sync, like customer names, emails, and even specific financial details like invoices or payments. The beauty of this integration is that once it's connected, you don't have to worry about updating both systems manually. Folk CRM will push the necessary data over to Xero automatically, ensuring your financial records are always up to date without lifting a finger. This saves you time, reduces the chance of errors, and gives you more insights into your business. If you're thinking about trying Folk CRM and Xero together, you're in luck, because right now you can access Folk CRM for completely free through the link in the description below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you can get even more out of the software. But more on that in a minute. As you set up the connection, make sure to double check the sync settings. For instance, if you have multiple businesses in Xero, Folk CRM lets you choose which one to connect to, so you don't mix up your accounts. It's that level of attention to detail that makes this integration so powerful. Now, a quick note. If you're a newbie to either Folk CRM or Xero, both platforms have excellent support teams and documentation. So if you run into any issues during setup, rest assured you'll have plenty of resources to help you out. To recap, connecting Folk CRM with Xero is incredibly simple and will save you a ton of time on manual data entry. Whether you're tracking customer interactions or keeping tabs on financials, this integration ties everything together seamlessly. It's a must for anyone serious about growing their business and improving workflow efficiency. And don't forget, by using the link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to Folk CRM. This gives you a deeper look at all the amazing features of the software with no commitment. Give it a try today and see how it can transform your business. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other guides on Folk CRM, Xero, and digital marketing tips to help you scale your business.